Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I've got with me the Pixel 8 Pro, and I'm gonna unbox it in one take with no cuts. So let's get started. Here's the box. Let's have a look inside. Similar to the Apple packaging. Wow, the phone's there straight away, and this color looks amazing. And this new main camera is massive. You can really tell it's very large, big camera on there. Let's have a look inside. This is a big phone, but it's nice. Wow, this is a massive phone. This is huge, awesome. And there's our little temperature sensor on the back, which is new. And let's keep seeing what else is in the box. So we've got a USB-C to USB-A adapter, I think for transferring files. And we also got the USB-C to C cable and some regulatory information. And that's it. So let's have a look at the initial setup. But you know what? What I think I'll do is, I'll save that for a separate video because I don't have much time today and I'm making this video on my lunch break at work. So yeah, what I'll do is, I'm gonna have a follow-up video tonight where we'll test the camera on this phone and compare it to the iPhone 15 Plus. And yeah, we'll go from there. See you all in the next one. Lens Addict out.